Hey guys, so it's the Friday after Thanksgiving. We actually spent Thanksgiving at Peter's mom's house and we actually slept over. So we drove out there Wednesday afternoon. It's now Friday morning. We're back home only because I have an event Saturday and Sunday, which I'm debating canceling because look at my face. I'm exhausted. The baby is just like super hyper from the weekend because we had family over and she's all over the place. And I'm tired. I just want to rest. But we got a bunch of orders and gift boxes that I need to package up from some Black Friday sales that we had going on. I had a pre-sale actually, and I have more sales that are pending that I still need to box up. And with honestly this new job that I'm working at, I'm just a little anxious and all over the place and really, really tired. So I think I'm gonna call out of this show. I've never ever done that before. I don't think there's a cancellation fee because I didn't read that within the contract. Some shows charge you something for canceling last minute, and I don't know if I'd end up going, it's going to be super last minute. But I think I'm going to cancel, so I'm going to send them an email letting them know that, you know, unfortunately I'm not going to be able to make it. Yeah, I feel bad because I've never done that before, but I have to just like listen to myself and listen to my body and my mind. And right now I'm just anxious. I don't know why I'm feeling anxious. I just feel like I can't right now. So I think I'm going to cancel, but we have all these gift boxes that I need to package up. Okay. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Okay. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. So I'm working on a custom order and I printed these using my regular label printer. You know, the one that I have here, the LX500C. Paid so much money for it. You can see it, there's some alignment issues because the edges are like a little bit white, which you don't really see that much, but I'm a perfectionist and I like things to be perfect, especially if clients are paying for paying a lot of money for this. Like, look at the edges here, look at the edges here, and no matter what, this is the number one issue I've struggled with this printer. Now I have as backup some Avery labels, and look at this, beautifully aligned, and the color is very true to what it's supposed to be, which is like a black, like a dark charcoal gray. And this just looks lighter. This is a pretty color, but that's not what the client wants. The client wants this. So it's like, this is the issue that I have with that printer, that I paid so much money for it. There goes Ellie. I paid so much money for it and I still continue to have these issues. It's past the warranty, so I can't do anything about it. But the printer that I use to print these is my HP, which is the reason why I have a backup printer. You know, I use this for other things, to print my thank you notes and things like that, or whatever, birthday cards and whatnot that the customers want inside of the box. So if you're looking for a really good printer for your business, this is definitely it. If you're just starting out or you've been in business for a while and you're thinking about making an upgrade on your printer, I would probably spend my money on this and not on this, even though I do love it, because if I'm printing out 100 or 200 labels, that thing just spits it out. But I think I just have bad luck and I got a faulty printer. And they did say that I can return it, but I waited a little too long and I'm past the warranty. So now I need to just unstick all of this so I can put the good stickers on it. So that's what I'm doing now, because this sucks. Uh-oh, what happened? What happened to the bubbas? Is she mad because she can't reach over here? Yeah, you are. I know. I've been dying to try this new like honeycomb wrapping paper. I am not 100% sure how I feel about it. I guess it looks nice. Thank you, Ellie, for the background music. Guess it looks okay. I don't know. My little stickers don't stay on it very well though. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to see how I feel about that. Amber bergamot. Oh, I have to make Fraser fur. cabin in the woods.
Was nice.